Dear students, in my earlier videos we have discussed about the Friedel-Crafts reaction and its mechanism. Now in this video we will discuss what are the drawbacks of Friedel-Crafts reaction. So first one is that it is easier to insert smaller hydrocarbon like methyl, ethyl, that means one carbon and two carbon groups into benzene ring, but the 3 carbon and 4 carbon or more carbon, that means ki bigger hydrocarbon insertion is difficult. Question arises why? Because rearrangement in carbocation occur. So discussing these points with an example here, that we having benzene ring, and this benzene ring undergoes reaction with butyl chloride in presence of aluminum trichloride AlCl3. Now as the reactions occur, a very little product and poor amount of product is obtained at very low temperature. Now as you have seen that benzene react with alkyl halide, alkyl benzene is formed. So my question is that this CH2 group should be attached with this benzene ring like this one. This is our desired product, but this is not the actual product. The predominant product is this one. Why? Because you know that this carbon will undergo rearrangement. So this one is 1 degree carbocation, which is not more stable. So here hydrogen will shift here. That means if hydrogen will shift, then what will happen? This carbon will become positively charged and rearrangement occur to form this 1 degree carbon rearrangement occur and tertiary carbocation is formed, because tertiary carbocation is most stable. So here this is not the product. Actual product is that this one. So this is the first drawback. What is it? That simple hydrocarbon can be introduced, that means 1 carbon or 2 carbon hydrocarbon are introduced in benzene ring, that means methyl, ethyl is possible, but here 3 or more carbon atom, that means propane, butyl, etc., like this propyl butyl groups cannot be introduced in benzene ring. Now second drawback, alkyl group are ortho and para director, as you know, hence reaction cannot be stopped at the required state. As a result, polyalkylated products are obtained. You know that alkyl groups are ortho and para director. So what will happen? As this will react together, then there is possibility to form a polyalkylated product. Now third drawback, migration of alkyl may occur, that is rearranged product are obtained here. So here you know that one methyl group is at ortho position, it may migrate to form meta position and para positions also. So migration of alkyl may occur, that is rearranged product are obtained. So this is the third drawback of Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now fourth one is that meta directors inhibit the Friedel-Crafts reaction, like nitrobenzene, acetophenone, etc. do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. So this is all about the drawback of Friedel-Crafts reaction. I hope you will read it. Till then, thank you very much.